Now, there are two aspects that feed into our core mission, and our mission is to enable anyone, anywhere, to participate in the next generation of materials. And the next generation of materials are materials that are fit for a regenerative circular economy. So the first thing is open knowledge, and that's the open recipe piece. The other aspect is the nutrient palette that we use, which is local abundant nutrients, locally abundant ingredients. And then we use a set of tools, of technology that people can access. Principally, we use the kitchen. So if you have a kitchen, you can start to make our materials palette. And we do that intentionally with the idea of encouraging anyone, anywhere, to be able to make materials that are fit for purpose within their product ecosystems, their regional ecosystems of production.